Good morning, everyone.
Happy Sunday, everyone. So, today, guys, we are going to go to church.
Alright. How about you, Johanna?
We are going to church.
Magpabadlong si Jojo dito, dili. I'm asking you, magpabadlong ka dito, dili. May nang mag-video ta para makabalot ako magpabadlong baka dito, dili. Dali. Pabadlong ka, dili.
Ina magpabadlong.
Dili, okay. Inumduman ako na, i-play na ako nagbalik ang video niya, ha? Okay? Okay, sige. Alright, guys. Good morning, everyone. So, pupunta kami sa church today. And then, pastor's appreciation sa church namin today. And then, after sa church, mag-Christmas party. And then, mag-exchange gift sila. So, let's go. Let's go, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye for now.